Yes, welcome back, folks, to the second part on algebraic expressions for IGCSE Extended Mathematics. Let's share, like, and also subscribe to the channel so that we keep on receiving notifications should new updates be provided. Right, first problem, we are interested in simplification there. And if we check, we've got like terms there, b and b. So we've got 4 of b's plus 1 plus 1. Because they are like, we start by putting the like part, which is b. So it's 4 plus 1 plus 1. The coefficient is going to be 6. So we have 6b there. Then the next problem, it looks like we are using exponential laws. I'm multiplying x by itself for many times 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll take the common variable x, then I just add the indices. They are all ones, so it's 1 4 times. That will be x to the power 4. Still moving to number 3, I'm doing an expansion where I'm interested in multiplying everything inside the brackets by 5. So 5 times x gives us 5x, 5 times 2 it gives us positive 10. That's the expansion. Moving to number 4, I'm also interested in expansion. So here the x is the first, they multiply themselves. We have x squared, then the last terms 4 and negative 3, they give us negative 12. Then we are left with middle part, which is made up of like terms. That's 4 and x and negative 3x. So it's 4x minus 3x. It will give us simply x. I think that will be the expansion. Then let's move to factorization. I'm going to target numbers themselves, 6 and 12. I'm looking for HCF for highest common factor. It's going to be 6. Then x is on the first part itself. Then what do we do with our HCF? We use it to divide both terms. The first part, 6x divided by 6 gives us x. There's a plus. The 12 divided by 6, that's 2. It means we have factorized. Let's move next where we are factoring a quadratic. And in this quadratic, obviously we are going to build 2 brackets there. And the coefficient here is 1, so we have x and x. Then we are looking for 2 factors of 6 such that the sum is equal to 5. Those are going to be 2 and 3 and plus. Those are the factors. Then number 7, we are simplifying. So when we simplify, what is common, it cancels. For instance, you can see y and y there. Numerator and denominator is the same, they cancel. Then we have 8 divided by 4, it will give us a 2. Still moving on, I have got a simplification to be done. It's a fraction, but when I check the numerator as x squared minus 4, which can be written as 2 squared over x minus 2. And if I look at my numerator, the factors there, because it's quadratic, I'm going to have x minus 2 plus 2. That's difference of 2 squares all over x minus 2. Then diagonally, I can see that the numerator and denominator are the same. So finally, my result is going to be x plus 2 after I'm done with my simplification. Then number 9, I'm interested in a sum, but if I check the denominators, they are like or is the same. So that becomes my common denominator. I simply simplify the numerator as 3 plus 7. It will give me 10 over 8. 10 over x. Then finally, I've got a product. And with a product, what we'll do is we try test diagonally or vertically. Do we have common factors? If we do have them, they will help us simplify. Like here for this problem, diagonally there's x and x, they cancel. Then I end up having 4 divided by 2, which will give us 2. I think basically that's it on part 2 of our algebraic expression for extended mathematics. Like I said earlier, please remember to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel to otherwise receive notifications when new updates are done. Thank you, folks. Bye.